Alright, this is the introduction for the Speed of Sound lab, and this one is pretty straightforward. What you're going to be doing is you're going to be making a sound, you're going to measure the distance that it travels, and you're going to measure the time that it takes. So your spot to record the distance is just right here, and you're going to do it 3 times and kind of take the average time. Then all you're going to do is you're going to calculate the speed of sound by saying, aha, I remember a little bit of physics 241, and I know that the distance that I traveled is going to be the rate multiplied by the time. If you measure the distance and you measure the time, then pretty straightforward, you can calculate the speed of sound. So how you're going to do this is you're going to pop open the simulation right here, and you're going to first measure the distance. In this case right here, it is 3.25 kilometers maybe. And you can click, move, and kind of move the sky around if you so choose. So now I'm at, 4.4 maybe you can say. We can hit the start button. You make the sound by pressing on this guy just right here. And the timer starts, and wait for it. Okay, there we go. Now we can go ahead and I would advise hitting the stop button as soon as that happened, so you can measure the exact time. Or you could record a video of it, or do it however you want to do it. So you're going to just do that 3 times. So I'm going to hit the reset button, and I'm going to hit the start button. I'm going to do that a second time, do that a third time, go ahead and take the average. So you can calculate the speed of sound pretty straightforward. Then what we can do is we can move it to a new spot, do the same thing, and then we're going to take a look at the temperature dependence of this. So we can go ahead and change the environment. We did it in the hot desert, but now we can go ahead and we can do that in the tundra by just kind of clicking around, and you see right here environment. You can go to a cool desert, or you can go to the frozen tundra. So you can do the experiment just right over there, and the speed of sound should be slower. I have you go ahead and calculate the temperature of the hot desert and the frozen tundra by saying, okay, every degree is about 0.607 meters per second. So pretty straightforward.